personal against Pretty Dan people. You understand? And big up Amari people. So, big up Pretty Dan and big up Amari. Now, checking. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty Dan now walk with effort to rise. So, by the correct me, a 14 or 15 penny Amari gets. Have Bert. See the Sandra, big up my friend Sandra. If it's a 15 or 30, come here if it's a 30. I just have 15. Yeah, 15 penny Amari get. Now, lady, gentleman, if your woman give 15 penny and still look good. Alright, she kinda slim now, alright. If your woman get 15 penny and still did look good. What to say? Still look good and still did look good. Alright. She dressed good. Amara put her makeup good today. The only thing she got maga, nothing wrong with being maga, because most of the supermodel of them lose enough weight, don't the people? So if a supermodel thing now, so Amara still look good, Amara is a supermodel now. She don't need to have the big fat body like Miss Kitty and Shelly and Kuran and Mickey Minaj. You understand? I know she's slim and Ariana still in a so much. Anyway, Lord of slimness out of the thing. And she had 13 pitney. If your woman have 13 pitney people, you have to rate her. And just still a wallet people. Just still at the spotlight. Amari just in expensive clothes. Because I'm not telling you, Amari beat Queen in bad when they come out to dressing. Amari beat Queen in bad when they come out to dressing. So you are going now. So me know I'm gonna say, alright, RT Alex sex Amari and get the pum pum from Queenie. We're 100% sure of that. You understand? So, but RT Alex will up on Queenie. So Queenie is approved to dance a song. So why you not gonna say why Amari still approved to dance a song? Because you know people. If your woman put out 13 pitney and still a wallet, that's a good pum pum. Some girl, remember you know, you have some woman who might have a look of sickness and you understand, and them can't have pitney just so. You have to see with them one day. You can't use them to beat them. But man still sex them and give them everything what them forget and you understand? So them have good pum pum said we. But Pretty Dan now people. No man know what Pretty Dan. So Pretty Dan can't get a chance to get a youth. And then Mr. saying to people, and the 1 and 2 girls them are like half Pretty Dan. Them never used to stay with Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan never have a girl in her life for 2 months yet, 5 months yet people. The girl them have to always a cut. I'm a lesbian friend them because remember some used to do enough. Queenie, hey Queenie, please don't make Mackerel touch RT Alex. If you ever go fight for get it back, I want you to know Mackerel man. I don't know if I saw magic Mackerel get to them pum pum. Remember I know, I could have said, girls, if you for joining the good it now man for only thing about fight for his hype. What's when them get the injection? They did not a particle fly up in the bed and boy I don't know man. All yell. But you're my boss. 2 minute drive you now. So go and listen to the show. We shall have you. Yeah man. You know, I remember get a gozo up in the car, them boy, you know what is wicked enough. So you have a fully gozo. Yes man, alright my boss. When I come, just give me a call, man. I've been a little bit cold and a little bit bold. They may tell me to slow down. No, you know me at the showdown. To violate me is a showdown. Alright, my boss. Yes, people. How are you, man? But people, no. Let me tell you when no man something good. I quint a pum pum on him business. I didn't know say Jesus or the devil had food. I could think about them poor people. Doing them capture my people, good pum pum. Tell me, son, if you feel me, I don't know. Pretty than people, it's a hard for her. And I take me to go for married people, but I marry a girl who keep her house clean. And you're a married customer when they pick them down to the house. Gathering people, too powering. See it, yeah? Oh, there, man. So, yeah, man, it's a hit song. Yeah, Livingston is a hit song. Yeah, Livingston a hit song for true, man. You see, I load the part of me say, cut America for now. Pretty than I'm afraid to come to America. Because I said, no, sir. Hey, pretty than the America so long. And in the whole piece of cheer there. People. Me no want to come out, me no want to go to America. Me tell Pretty Dan, so listen to Pretty Dan. I buy a brand new chair for you. One of the look good one people. And you know some people at $325 US I pay for that chair, the people. Yes, and because the leg them make out of titanium or whatever I call it. People say that chair they can't broke, you could have 200,000 pounds, a fat man can't slung on that chair there. A fat woman can't slung on that chair there. Biscuity can't slung on that chair there. So Pretty than more than can't slung on it. You understand? So I'm going to tell Pretty than to send me the address now. I know so Pretty than to take high people. I know Pretty than to send me the address. So, but big up Pretty than people. I beat Pretty than in the people. This is me try to give Pretty than some good advice. But they should not have it as good advice, people. Till I have it as constructive criticism. Because I'm not criticizing her. Because I found the people, when people are going to good advice, when they say this people are this, you know. So, in case you don't go to good school, it's a constructive criticism. Yes, I'm giving Pretty than some constructive criticism. And she know, and she believe in this her. Yes, people, because I never like Pretty than, but I tell Pretty than to Pretty than. Go put on some good clothes, America, you're Pretty than. Me know you can't do it, my girl. You have the dollar store, them Pretty than. What me know for? Why you see the boy RTLX? The man say, I go over Pretty than, you know. And she shall sit in that chair until she old and grey. And you know some people, and she shall not change off them old clothes there until she old and grey. And people, Pretty, you know, say a couple of years now, and me see Pretty than in the same old clothes and people. And Pretty than still sitting in the old dirty chair, people. Me don't know. The boy RTLX wicked. What a wicked boy like RTLX, people. No, sir. RTLX are wicked. Wicked. You could have eased up, no, man. That's what I tell Pretty than now. People, I work science, people, but me no do wicked things to people. I know the evil part is people, but my part of make people wicked. Me could see myself.